Your showcase features prizes mentioned during our story of a day at the beach with lady construction workers. Our story opens with 3 female hard hats dropping by the beach for a little sunshine. But as luck would have it, the beach is not deserted, which is perfectly okay with Janice, the leader of the crew. She'd much rather pick up a man than a tan any day. And so she offers to share a meal with Mr. Muscles from her brand new picnic basket. This English-style wicker basket includes napkins, tablecloths, wine glasses, plates, mugs, utensils, food containers, and vacuum bottle. Everything for your picnic except the food. Now, as Janice shows off her basket, Diane beckons to the beach boy, figuring that feeding a man is one thing, but to really get close, she'll need a little mood music played on her new portable stereo. Hitachi cassette recorder player with FM/AM radio, high-performance deluxe features, digital counter, tune control, high-sensitivity tuner, beautiful sounds in stereo from Hitachi. The third member of the crew, Holly, is appalled at her friend's flirting ways and rushes in to save the sandy sex symbol. What he really needs is to get away from that crowded beach and work on his tan in private. And she knows just the spot. And she'll take him there in her brand new dune buggy. This dune buggy has a 1600cc dual-port motor, quartz driving lights, luggy whip antenna and light, chrome exhaust system, spoke wheels, and bright blue paint. And this showcase, compliments of our 3 lady construction workers and 1 poor, frazzled blonde bombshell, can be yours if the price is right.
Dorothy, are you prepared to give me a bid on this showcase?
$9,000.
$9,000 even? $9,000 is her bid. I have a bid of $5,000 even from Edward over here. And I have the retail prices of these showcases to announce after we announce this. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a bid of $9,000 from Dorothy. And Dorothy, I want you to know that the actual retail price of your showcase is $7,168. You've gone over. Now, Edward, no matter how close you are, so long as you don't go over, you are the winner of your showcase. You bid $5,000. The actual retail price is $4,964. $4,964. You are over by $36. Oh, Edward, I'm sorry. Dorothy, I'm sorry you went over too. But it's been a pleasure to have both of you on the show, and I hope you enjoy the prizes that you did win. Now, this is Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking when The Price is Right, a Mark Woodson, Bill Todman production.